Hi, Craig Covey here, your friendly neighborhood insurance agent with a quick household tip for you to put on your honey-do list this weekend. It takes less than 5 minutes on a difficult scale of 1 to 5. I'd give it a 2 only because we're going to go up in the attic. If you're not comfortable going up in your attic or you're not physically able, that's okay. A simple phone call makes a difficult level down to a 1. Get your favorite AC person to come out, and a lot of them are running specials for the spring tune-up. I've seen them as low as $49. What I'm talking about is putting bleach in your drain lines for your AC unit as we start to turn them on. And right now is a good time to do it, especially this weekend before it gets to be too hot. The materials you need, very easy. Of course, some bleach, a measuring cup, some water, because we'll mix our bleach. And I grabbed a plastic bag to bring down the measuring cup in, only because I don't want any of that bleach to drip onto our flooring, and then the wife gets mad at me. So it takes about 8 ounces, a mix of water and bleach to pour down the drain lines to help prepare them for the coming months for the summertime where we're going to be running our AC unit a lot. A lot of people have recommended or used vinegar or pine sol or Drano. I do not recommend these only because our pipes here in Texas, a lot of them are PVC, and those are acid-based solutions, and the acid can wear away the PVC, and then you end up with a bigger problem. So stick with bleach. If you're not comfortable with using bleach, then try warm water first. Use about a cup of warm water to pour down. If that works, great. If not, then go ahead and try mixing in some bleach. So let's go up in the attic and take a look at what we're doing. Okay, so up here in the attic, I've um, located my drain line, which is right here, and I've got a protective cap on it. So I'm just going to take the cap off and set it down where I don't lose it. And I'm going to put in my bleach. And I'll dilute this with some water. And all we have to do is just pour it down the line here. If you'd like, you can get a funnel and use a funnel to do this as well. And that's it. This quick, easy task can be easily knocked off your honey-do list and can ultimately save you thousands of dollars this year. I'm Craig Covey. Thanks, and see you soon.